Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI 15T Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup. Alright, the process is really easy, and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So all we need to do is to open up our WhatsApp right in here. Now once we have opened the app, click the three dots in the top right corner and open up the settings. Now go into chats, scroll down and click on chat backup. Okay, and now let's begin with the Google account. In here we need to select on which account we want to create our backup. Currently in my case it's this account. If you want to add another one, simply click on add and then log in into new Google account. Also we need to remember this Google account, and we cannot forget password to it, because on this account our backup will be saved and stored in the cloud, of course. So if you want to restore the backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the setup process, during the backup process. Now below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off. In my case I put it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient and comfortable thing. Of course you can pick other modes, daily, weekly, or only when it's a backup. I'll stick to the monthly. Also let's enable to include the videos in our backup. This option is also disabled defaultly. And now click on end-to-end encrypted backup, but that's an extra feature. In here basically you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore the chats. So you are doing it on your own. If you choose to create the password, simply don't forget it. Alright, also we need to have some free Google storage space. And now to create a backup, simply hit backup button. Okay, in my case it won't take long because I don't have many messages. In my case it's already finished. As you take a look on the last backup, we can compare the hours and it means that everything went fine. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.